Judicial discretion. Judicial discretion refers to the latitude and authority granted to a judge to make decisions in various matters that come before the court. The concept is rooted in the idea that a legal system should offer flexibility in decision making, allowing judges to adapt the application of law to the unique circumstances of the individual cases. Here's a breakdown of areas where judicial discretion commonly comes into play: sentencing, evidence, procedure, family law, equity and injunctions, interpretation of law, awards and damages, awards and damages, discretionary review, limitations on discretion. So let's read a couple of this just so we can get familiar with it, right? In sentencing, in criminal cases, judges often have the discretion to decide the type and length of a sentence within the boundaries set by statutory guidelines. Evidence. Judges have the discretion to admit or exclude evidence. Procedures. Judges have the authority to control court proceedings, which includes setting schedules, deciding motions, and managing the conduct of attorneys and participants. Family law. In matters such as divorce, child custody, and spousal support, judges exercise discretion in determining what arrangements are in the best interest of the children involved and how assets should be divided among parties. Equity and injunctions. Judges exercise significant discretion in cases that involve equitable remedies like injunctions. Interpretation of law. Judges often have the discretion to interpret statutes, contracts, and constitutional provisions. Awards and damages. In civil cases, judges may have discretion in awarding damages, costs, and attorney fees. Discretion review. Higher courts often have discretionary power to decide which cases to review. Limitations on discretion. Judicial discretion is not unlimited. It is bound by statutory guidelines, case law, and constitutional provisions. So, understanding the nuances of judicial discretion can be especially valuable if you're involved in legal research or lawsuits, as it often shapes the strategies and arguments used in litigation. For more advice, consult an attorney.